What goes on, people? So today, I'm gonna do something really special. I'm gonna share a secret. Shh. I am addicted. Addicted? Addicted? To what? Taking pictures and videos of everything. That was funny. Yeah, so basically, this video you're about to see is it was from the snowstorm of 2009. It was me and my awesome brother. You don't know him, but he's pretty cool. And yeah, we were having so much fun in the snow, and I just like to share it with you. So here you go.
I don't want a lot for Christmas. There is just one thing I need. I don't care about the presents underneath the Christmas tree. I just want you for my own, more than you could ever know. Make my wish come true, baby. All I want for Christmas is you. I don't want a lot for Christmas. There is just one thing I need, and I don't care about the presents underneath the Christmas tree. But I don't need to hang my stocking way up on the fireplace. Santa Claus will make me happy with a toy on Christmas Day. And I just want you for my own, more than you could ever know. Make my wish come true, baby. All I want for Christmas is you. I won't ask for much this Christmas. I won't even wish for snow. I'm just gonna keep on waiting underneath the mistletoe. I won't make a list and send it to the North Pole for Saint Nick. I won't even stay home wait to hear the magic reindeer play. 'Cause I just want you here tonight, holding on to me so tight. What more can I do? Baby, all I want for Christmas is you. This is all I'm asking for. I just wanna see my baby standing right outside.